بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أبنائي وبناتي طلبة وطالبات الصف العاشر، مرحبا بكم مرة أخرى في درس جديد على الهواء. Dear students in grade 10, welcome again to another lesson. So as you know, this is lesson number 4 for unit 2, which was about climate change. So the final lesson will be a writing lesson. So today's lesson will be about how to write an opinion essay. How to write an opinion essay. Okay, so let's start our lesson. Okay, let's start our lesson. How to write an opinion essay. So first of all, I want you, this is the title of our lesson, how to write an opinion essay. So I want to, before I start my lesson, I want you to bring your class book. In your class book, we are going to have page 18 and 19, and your skills book we are going to have page 18 and 19, and also page 45, 56 and 57. Okay, so now we are going to read our learning outcomes. In this lesson, you will read and analyze an opinion essay. Also, you are reviewing some features of paragraphs. Also, you will develop an idea in paragraph using supporting sentence. Also, you are going to analyze the structure of a paragraph. Also, you are going to plan and write an opinion essay by the end of this lesson. Okay? So before we start our lesson, let's revise some of the notes, some notes that we have in the previous lesson. As you know, last lesson was about speaking and listening with Mr. Hilal. And you have got this topic. It is easy to live a more eco-friendly lifestyle. And you have two words, agreement for and agreement against. Okay, so what does the meaning of words agreement for? Yes, what does it mean? It means you are agreeing. You are agreeing with this person. Also, the word agreement against, what does it mean? It means disagreement. You are not agreeing with the other person. So as you can see, you have read some of these words with Mr. Hilal. Also, with Ms. Fatma, you have learned about the express opinion. You have learned about agreeing and disagreeing. Okay, you have learned some phrases like I agree, I have the same opinion, you are exactly right, and also some disagreement, like I am sorry, I don't agree with you. Okay, and some other agreement like that's true, but. If you say but, you mean you are not agreeing, you are disagreeing. So we have two words, agreeing and disagreeing, or agree and disagree. So we are going to play a game. So I want you to use this website here at the top, or use this QR code to play the game with me. Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds to scan this code. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's go to our game. So as you can see here, we have two words, agree and disagree. Okay, we want to take the phrases and put it under the correct heading. Okay, so let's read together. You know, agree, you mean with the person. Disagree, you are not with the person. Okay, so if you see not at all, is it agreeing or disagreeing? What do you think? agreeing or disagreeing. You said not at all. So this is disagreeing. Okay, this is disagreeing. Okay, I am with you. I am with you. Is it agreeing or disagreeing? Agree or disagree? I am with you. This is agree. Okay, I don't agree. I don't agree. Is it agree or disagree? This type or this type? Huh? I don't agree means you are disagreeing. Of course. Thank you. I agree with you 100%. I agree with you 100%. Is it agree or disagree? Yes, it's agree. You are with him 100%. So you are agree. Sorry, I have to say no. Sorry, I have to say no. Is it agreeing or disagreeing? Agreeing or disagreeing? Huh? Sorry, I have to say no. No. So this is disagreeing, of course. This is disagreeing. Okay? That's so true. That's so true. You mean you are agreeing with the person. So this is agreeing. Okay. So I take a different view. I take a different view. You are going this side, I am going this side. So you are agreeing or disagreeing? If you are here and you go to other side, you are agreeing or disagreeing? Huh? You are disagreeing. Thank you. You are disagreeing. Okay. I totally disagree. I totally disagree. It's obvious. It's clear. So agreeing or disagreeing? Huh? It's disagreeing. You know from the word disagree. Okay. That's for sure. That's for sure. Is it agreeing or disagreeing? That's for sure. Huh? And you have this stick. So this is agreeing, of course. This is agreeing. Okay. I have no objection. I have no objection. What does it mean in Arabic? What does it mean in Arabic? لا يوجد لدي أي اعتراض. So this is agreeing or disagreeing? Of course, this is agreeing. So let's check our answers. All of our answers are correct. So this is what we have learned last week about agreeing and disagreeing. This is the speaking task. So we are going now for the writing. Today is the writing lesson. So let's get started our lesson. Of course, as you know, we have this title, How to Write an Opinion Essay. Okay, you know the word opinion. What does it mean? It means you're giving your thoughts, you're giving your ideas, you are agreeing or disagreeing at this point. But before we go inside this lesson, we should know how should I organize my essay. How should I organize? You should know the organization of your essay. How can I start? How can I finish my start? You are not doing anything without thinking about the organization. So you have three parts in your paragraph, in your essay. First, the introduction. You tell them what you are going to tell. Also, the body. You tell them your ideas and you give evidence. Also, you have the conclusion. You tell them what you have tell them before. Okay? So the essay outline, we have three parts, as we said. We have the introduction and the body and the conclusion. Okay? So we have three main parts in our essay. Okay? Of course, we are going to these parts here very deeply in this lesson. Okay, so in the introduction, we are entreating the reader, identify for focus, purpose, outline, scope, and the other things. Also, in the body parts, we may have 2 paragraphs or 3 paragraphs or 4 paragraphs as you can give your thoughts or ideas in it. Okay, in each paragraph in the main body, we have topic sentence, supporting details, and concluding sentence. Okay, the final part of your paragraph or essay is a conclusion. You are going to summarize your essay. So your essay should look like the dinosaur. Do you know the dinosaur? Yes, the dinosaur. We have 3 parts for the dinosaur. Here we have the introduction, and here we have the main body, and here we have the conclusion. We have three main parts in our paragraph, in our essay, okay? In the first part, we have the introduction, the head of the essay. So, as you can see here, the dinosaur is looking for the question, for the topic, for the main idea that, or the question. So, the introduction should answer the main question, okay? And then the second part are the main body, which is the body of the dinosaur, okay? We may have two paragraphs, three paragraphs, four paragraphs, as you can do. But in each paragraph, you should have a specific idea and with supporting details, okay? So here we have points and we have evidence. In each main paragraph, we should write some points and some evidence. The last one is the conclusion. The final one is the conclusion for your essay, okay? You should say what you have written and agreeing in this essay, okay? So remind yourself with this dinosaur, because we are going to repeat it again in this lesson, okay? So again, we have four main parts, or 5 or 6 paragraphs in our essay. The first paragraph is the introduction. We are going to explain the topic in your topic in your own words and state your opinion. So this is the first paragraph, okay? Paragraph 2, we are going to present an idea with examples to support your opinion. So you are going to give one idea in the first paragraph of the main body, okay? The second part of your paragraph, main body, you are going to present another idea, not the same idea, no, another idea with example to support your opinion, okay? The final one will be the conclusion, النهاية, الخاتمة, okay? So are going to summarize your points and remind the reader for your opinion, okay? Here again, in the main body, you are going to write 2 paragraphs, 3 paragraphs. Maybe you are going to write 1 paragraph with and 1 paragraph against. It depends on you. But it's better to write a paragraph with the same points. Okay, now I want you to play a game, another game with you. So I want you to write this website or use this QR code to play the game here. Yeah. So I give you 10 seconds to use this code. Okay? Okay, now 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.5, 1, 0. Let's go. Okay, the essay paragraph. Okay, the essay paragraph. Now, as you can see here, we have 4 paragraphs on your right side, and you have here an explanation on the right side of your board. Okay. Now, let's read here. The left side. Here, paragraph 4 is the conclusion, and paragraph 2 is the introduction. Paragraph 2 is here, paragraph 2, and here is paragraph 3. So let's read it quickly. Summarize your points and remind the readers of your opinion. So you are giving a summarize, يعني تلخيص للكلام اللي كتبته. Okay. So which one is it? Is it introduction or conclusion or main body? Huh? Yes, of course, it's the conclusion. Okay, explain the topic in your own words and state your opinion. Explain the topic in your own words and state your opinion. Is it introduction or in the main body? Huh? Think about it. Think. Yes, it is the introduction. Thank you. It's the introduction. Okay, present an idea with examples to support your opinion. This is the first part of your main body, or the second Yes, it's the first one, because you are going to present the first idea. So this is paragraph number 2. Okay, the last one, it's obvious, it's clear, so it is paragraph number 3. You are going to present an idea, another idea, with examples to support your opinion. So let's check our work, if it is correct or not. Okay, let's check our work. Okay, it's all correct. So you are doing a great job. So let's go to our class book. I want you to look. Of course, imagine this is the desk of your in your class. So this is the desk, and you have put this book in your desk. So you are going to have page 20 and 21. Of course, we have into page 20, we have 3 activities. Activity 1, activity 2, and activity 3. We are going to complete activity 1 and activity 3. But activity 2 is cancelled. Activity 2 is cancelled. We are not going to use this one. Okay? Of course, we are going to complete activity 4, but we are not going to complete task 5 because it's cancelled. Like this, make an X on task number 5 and task number 2 here. Make an X. You are not going to complete the task. So let's go to the first one. Okay, read the facts about plastic in the ocean and discuss them with a partner. This is a discussion task. Okay, so now we are going to read them quickly. Okay, the facts number 1. By the way, what's the difference between fact and opinion? Fact and opinion, huh? Fact is something real you can see by your eyes, but opinion something in your head, in your thoughts you can't see. Okay, so these are facts, حقائق. These are all facts. Okay. Now, number 1, every year we put 8 billion tons of plastic into the oceans. Imagine this number, 8 million tons. Okay, 1 ton, how many kilograms in 1 ton? Huh? Yes, 1,000 ton. Okay, 1,000 in 8, it means 8,000 million tons every year are dropped into the ocean. Imagine this number. 8 million tons of plastic. Okay, number 2, hundreds of thousands of marine animals die per year because they eat or become trapped in plastic. What do you mean by marine life? The animals, any that live in the ocean, the fish, sometimes the people who are going fishing, or the soldiers sometimes who work in the sea. So hundreds of marine animals, the animals dying every year because they eat trapped plastic. Millions or thousands of animals. Okay, number 3, it is predicted that by 2050 there will be more plastic in the ocean than fish. Imagine this, more plastic than the fish. So in the ocean, we should look for fish, whales, animals that live in the fish. But in 2050, you are going to see plastic, just plastic on the ocean. Imagine this. It's crazy. So do you like these pictures? Do you like to read about this? No. Of course, you are not happy. It's not a good things to look for this. Okay, now we are going to task number 3. We are going to read the essay again and match 1 to 4 to their functions. Okay, we have 4 paragraphs. The 4 paragraphs here on page 21. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 paragraphs. We are going to match. We are going to match the paragraph here to their functions on the right side. Okay, I want you to read paragraph 1 here. Number A, present an idea with example to support your opinion. Okay, paragraph 2B, present another idea with examples to support your opinion. C, summarize your points and remind the readers of your opinion. Number D, explain the topic in your own words and state your opinion. Do you remember the first game that we have learned maybe 10 minutes before? Yes? To present an idea with the example to support the reader, is it introduction, conclusion, or main body? Huh? Yes, it's from the main body, the first paragraph of the main body. So it is with number 2. Okay. Present another idea with example to support your opinion. So it's introduction, conclusion, or in the main idea, in the main body. Present another idea. So it's in the main body, paragraph number 2. So this is with number 3. Okay, paragraph 3. Summarize your points and remind the readers of your opinion. Summarize, تلخيص. So which part? It's part number 4, which we called the conclusion. The conclusion. Okay, the last one, explain the topic in your own words and state your opinion. Explanation. Explanation. Okay, so giving explanation should be in the first part of your essay. So it should be the introduction. So paragraph number 1 with D, paragraph number 2 with the A, paragraph number 3 with the B, and paragraph 4 with C. So let's look for this. As you can see here, we have 4 paragraphs. The first paragraph is the introduction. The second paragraph is the main body, the first paragraph in your main body. The third paragraph is the second paragraph of the main body. We have here 2 paragraphs. And the last one is the conclusion. Okay, let's play another game. I want you to use this website or scan this QR code to play a game here. So I will give you 1 minute to scan the QR or use the website. Okay, are you ready? Okay. 10, 9, 8.5, 8, 8, 7.5, 7, 6.5, 6, 5.5, 5, 4.5, 4, 3.5, 3, 2.5, 2, 1, 0. Let's go to our, okay, as you can see, the title of this topic is we should use less plastic to protect our ocean. Okay, as you can see here, we have 4 paragraphs, and we have here on the left side, we have the topics. Okay, so as you can see, where is the introduction? Where is it? The first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph, fourth paragraph. Yes, thank you. It's the first paragraph. Here we have the introduction. Okay. Number 2. What is it? Number 2. Huh? Yes. It's one topic sentence followed by supporting ideas. Okay. Thank you. Okay, now, paragraph number 3. Paragraph number 3. Yes. Is the conclusion? Is the conclusion? No. The conclusion is the last one. So, it's another topic sentence followed by supporting ideas. Thank you. Of course, the last one is the conclusion. The last one is the conclusion. So as you can see here, we have 4 parts. Okay, let's submit our answers and check our work. Okay, they are all correct. But now let's show the answers and let's read it together. Okay, let's read the sentence together. Here, the topic here, we should use less plastic to protect our oceans. Do you agree or disagree? So the first part is the introduction. So let's read it quickly. Our oceans are under threat because of plastic pollution. Plastics waste such as packaging, cups, and throats is lightweighting, and so it's often get blowing or waste into the ocean. So let's go and read it from the course book. It's better to read it from the course book. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, here we have the four paragraphs. Okay, now here we have the first paragraph. Our ocean are under threat because of plastic pollution. Plastic waste such as packaging, cups, and straws is lightweighting, and so it often gets blown or wasted into the ocean. So this is the topic sentence for the introduction, the topic sentence. Some people do not want to stop using plastic products because they are convenient. However, so this is the supporting sentence for the first topic sentence. The last word, however, I believe that we must use less plastic to protect our ocean. So this is the concluding sentence for the introduction. So as you can see, we have 3 parts for every paragraph. Okay. So we are going to complete task 4. Now on page number 21, I want you to look at these 3 questions. Read the essay again and find the following items. Now we have number 1, 2 phrasal verbs, as you have learned in Unit 1 with the new media. Also, number 2, 2 compound nouns. Also, you have learned in this unit with Ms. Fatma. Also, 2 examples of cause and effect. Also, you have learned in Unit 2. I will give you 2 minutes to complete this task. I want you to find 2 phrasal verbs, 2 compound nouns, and 2 examples of cause and effects. Yes. Now, I will give you 2 minutes to complete this task. Okay, have you finished? At least you can complete number 1 and number 2. Okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's go to look for the answers. Of course, for the phrasal verbs, we have 2 phrasal verbs here: end up with, end up in, and throw away. You can use it. Look at for the words and have a circle. Do a circle. Make a circle. Okay. Number 2, compound nouns. We have plastic pollution, plastic waste, and plastic bottles. Okay. I want you to find these words and make a circle. Okay. The answer for cause and effect. We have so many examples here, but I want to just to find 2 examples. Here we have plastic waste is lightweight. This is the cause. It gets flown or washed into the ocean. This is the effect. Okay. Animals are tangled to or in or eat plastic. This is the cause. Animal die. This is the effect. Also, animal eat fish that have eaten plastic. This is the cause. And people eat plastic. This is the effect. Also, choose reusable bottles. This is the cause. And throw away less plastic bottles. This is the effect. Yeah. Now I will give you 1 minute to complete your work, to check your work. I want you to check your work. Okay. Finish. Now, let's go to your skills book. We have finished your class book. Now, I want you to open your skills book, page 18 and 19. And also, we are going to use page 45, 56, and 57. Now, first of all, we are going to have page 18 and 19. We are going to complete here task 1, activity 1, and activity 2. for activity 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, you are going to complete it by your own and check your answers with your teacher. So first of all, let's go to task number 1. Here, read paragraph 3 from the opinion essay on page 21 of your class book and answer the question below. Here we have a full paragraph, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. Now, I want you to read the questions and find the answer from your paragraph. Here we have, let's read number 1. What is the main idea of this paragraph? Where could you find the answer for this question? Where? On the top or at the final? No, it's at the top of your paragraph, because he is asking about the main idea for the paragraph. Number 2, what examples does the author give to support the main idea? The writer, what does he give to support the main idea? So where could you find this answer? The final sentence, or the first sentence, or in the middle? I think you'll find it in the middle, because it is means the supporting sentence. The supporting sentence. Now let's look for question number 3. How does the author connect the information in the final sentence to the main idea? Here, this is the final sentence and the main idea for the next paragraph. So I want you to look, how does he connect them? Number 4, what linking words does the author use to in the paragraph? What do we mean by linking words? Linking words mean the words that we link one sentence to another sentence, like because, but, also, in addition, however. These are the linking words. Okay? Now, number 5, how has the author create cohesion between the final sentence in paragraph 2 and the topic sentence in paragraph 3? How he make cohesion? What do we mean by cohesion? Cohesion means making something related to each other, يعني متماسك. How to make it the sentence or the paragraph cohesion. Okay, now I will give you 2 minutes to complete this task. Okay, now while you are writing your answer, I want to explain this one. A good paragraph should discuss one main idea. It should discuss just one main idea. If you wrote so many ideas, it will not be good thing. So start with our topic sentence. Where could we find the topic sentence? At the beginning or at the end? Yes, we can find it at the beginning of paragraph. Include examples, facts, and explanation that develop the idea and support the topic sentence. Okay, this is in the middle. We add so many sentences. Okay, the topic sentence followed by supporting ideas. Okay, end with a sentence to summarize the information. Okay, now this is for a good paragraph. Now, let's look for the answers. Okay, for the question number 1, what is the main idea of this paragraph? I think it's reducing the amount of plastic we will use. Will result in less plastic in the ocean. You can find this on the topic sentence. This answer. Okay. Number 2, what examples does the author give to support the main idea? Using usable bottles instead of plastic bottles. This is one example to support the main idea. As you can see here, the best way to solve this problem is to reduce the amount of plastic we use. يعني تقليل عدد البلاستيك اللي نستخدمه في حياتنا. We all make small changes in our daily lives to reduce the amount of single-use plastic items we throw away. Okay? For example, 1 million plastic bottles are sold. This is another example. Instead, we live every minute worldwide. However, if we use usable bottles instead, we will greatly reduce the number of plastic bottles that end up in the ocean. يعني إذا خففنا من استهلاك البلاستيك سوف يقل عدد البلاستيك الذي يرمى في المحيطات. So, number 3, how does the author connect the information in the final sentence to the main idea? If you read here, however, this is the last sentence. However, if we use reusable bottles, instead we will greatly reduce the number of plastic bottles and oceans. This is the final sentence. So the author explained the action we can take to use less plastic, which connects the example on the topic sentence. Okay, number 4. What linking words does the author use in his paragraph? Of course, he used for example. Here is for example and however. This is another word, however. The last question, how has the author create cohesion between final sentence, paragraph 2 and topic sentence? Of course, he has used something here. Okay. So let's look for yes, the final sentence in paragraph 2 uses the phrase address this problem in the first part, and he connects with to solve this problem in the first paragraph, to solve this problem in the first topic sentence. Okay, now let's look for this paragraph again. Okay, here let's read together and find the topic sentence, the supporting sentence, and concluding sentence. Okay, let's read together. One reason why we should use less plastic is that plastic pollution is dangerous to both marine life and human. Okay? So this is the topic sentence. This is the topic sentence. Okay, here we have two words, marine life and human. So in the supporting sentence, he should talk about the marine lives and the human. So the supporting sentence, the first supporting sentence, many marine animals die as a result of getting tangled in plastic and or eating plastic. This is the first sentence, supporting sentence for explaining the word marine. Okay, the second sentence, furthermore, scientists have discovered that if we eat fish, you may be eating pieces of plastic that the fish has eaten. This is for the human. The human, okay? The first supporting sentence is for the marine lives, and the second sentence is for the human. The last sentence is the concluding sentence. Therefore, it is essential to take action to address this problem. So this is the final sentence. We call it the concluding sentence. So let's check our work if you understand this part. So I want you again to look at this website or use the QR code quickly. Okay? Okay? Now, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Let's go to paragraph parts. Okay? Okay, now, we have, as you can see here, 4 parts. Okay, what do we call the first part? Is it as another supporting ideas, concluding, or topic sentence, or supporting idea? Yes, it is a topic sentence. Thank you. Okay, the second part, what is it? Yes, it's a supporting idea. Thank you. It's a supporting idea. Okay. Number 3, yes, it's another supporting idea. Okay. The final one is the concluding sentence. Thank you. This is the 4 main parts of the structure of the paragraph. Okay. Now, let's go to our lesson again. Now, I want you to look at your skills book, page 18, and look for this topic. Okay. Read the topic sentence below. complete the paragraph with supporting sentence and concluding sentence. Use the prompt in the books to help you. You have here some examples or ideas that you help you to write the sentence. So we have here, we can reduce our carbon footprints by making small changes to our everyday habits. I want you to write some sentence here, supporting idea 1 and supporting idea 2 and concluding sentence. Okay? Okay, I will give you 1 minute because we don't have time. Okay? Now, let's have the answers here. I want you to write the answers here. For example, if we turn off lights, air conditioners, and other electronic devices when we are not using them, we will save electricity and burn fewer fossil fuels. Okay, so this is for the first paragraph. And also we have here another sentence for the supporting idea 2. And also we have a concluding sentence. Okay, so let's go to the final part of our lesson, the useful phrases for writing an opinion essay. Now, as you can see here on page 56 of your skills book, I want you to open it very quickly. As you can see here, we have 4 main parts of your essay. Okay, the first part, you should explain the topic in your own words and state your opinion. You are going to use these sentences. Many people think, believe, argue, I think, I believe, I agree, disagree, that, in my opinion. These are useful phrases you can use. Okay, for paragraph 2, for the main body, you can use first of all, one reason why, one advantage, disadvantage of, and therefore. This is for paragraph number 2. Okay, paragraph number 3, we are going to use secondly, another reason why, another advantage or disadvantage of. Okay, in the final paragraph or the conclusion, الخاتمة, you can say to summarize, to sum up, to conclude. لنختم هذا الموضوع. We said these words. So let's play a game also here. Okay, paragraph useful phrases. Okay, let's play it together. Okay, now we have here introduction, we have here paragraph number 2, and here we have paragraph number 3, and here we have the conclusion, الخاتمة, the conclusion for the essay. I want you to read the phrases here at the top and match it to the correct heading or to the correct paragraph. Let's read together. Okay, I think, I believe, agree, that. So where should we write about this? Introduction, conclusion, main paragraph? Yes, it's on the introduction. Thank you. Okay, secondly, okay, where could we find put this word, phrase? Second paragraph, third paragraph, fourth paragraph? Yes, it's in the second, because he said secondly. Okay, therefore, this is we can put it on the paragraph number 2. Okay, in my opinion, I think. Okay, this is in paragraph number 1. Okay, to summarize, لتلخيص. Okay, to summarize. Okay, this is paragraph number 2, number 4, the conclusion. Very good. To conclude, لنختم هذا الموضوع. To conclude. Okay, it's for the conclusion. Okay, another advantage or disadvantage, this is for paragraph number 3. Okay, the second paragraph of the main idea, of the main paragraph. Okay, one advantage or disadvantage of this is for paragraph number 2. Okay, now one reason why for this is for paragraph number 1, because he said one reason. Okay, one reason. Okay, first of all, this is the word first, بداية. Okay, so we put it on paragraph number 2. Okay, many people think or believe, argue or disargue. Okay, for this is paragraph number 1. Okay, for the introduction. Okay, another reason why, سبب آخر لي. So this is paragraph number 2. Very good. Okay, to conclude, لنختم هذا الموضوع. To conclude, نهاية. Okay, this is conclusion. To sum up, لنختصر الموضوع أو ننهي الموضوع. We say to sum up. So these are some of the phrases. Okay, so now before we finish, now we have finished this. So I want you to look at for skills book page 19 and answer this question. Read the statement below. Discuss, do you agree or disagree? Individual people can make change to reduce global warming. So we have some ideas that I wrote for you, and you can use the other ideas from your previous lesson. Okay, now I want you to complete this at home. Also, you should look for page number 45 and look for this example, because it will help you to write a good paragraph. Okay, and complete this one. Okay, and use this list to check your work for this paragraph. Okay, and finally you are going to exchange your essay with another person and check your work. Okay, now the final thing for this lesson, I want to revise all the things that we have learned in today's lesson by watching this final video. Okay, just ready? Okay. Okay, so, okay, now in this opinion essay, the writer tries to convince the reader of point of view. Okay, then we have learned about how to organize our work, introduction, main body paragraphs, and conclusion. Also, we learned introduction, what do we write on it. Okay, paragraph, explain your idea, provide a question, or okay, and provide background information to explain the issue in details. This is for introduction. The body paragraph, after the topic sentence, controlling ideas, provide reasons for your opinion. You have to help the reader to understand the writer point of view. Also, the counter argument, describe the opposing. If you have a different idea, you have to argue. The conclusion, restate your opinion. You can also write comments to reinforce your point of view. Also, we have some useful phrases like, in my opinion, personally, I think, I believe, that we have learned. Yes, we have learned in this lesson. Also, giving facts, it's fact that, it's truly that. Okay, useful phrases. Okay, as a result, therefore, my main reason, another reason. This is for the linking words. In addition, moreover, what is more, furthermore. Okay, this is the last one. The last one. Conclusion. In conclusion, to sum up and to conclude. And also remember to read your work and give it to another. So good luck for you. Now, this is the end of our lesson for today. So see you next week, and goodbye.